Finding the best 1200-watt countertop microwave can feel confusing, especially when you just want fast, even heating that works every day. The best 1200-watt countertop microwave gives you stronger power, quicker cook times, and better results for busy US kitchens and family meals. I've used high-watt models for years, and they save real time with leftovers, frozen foods, and late-night snacks. After testing and comparing features, sizes, and real-world use, I know what actually matters and what doesn't. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Panasonic Stainless Steel Countertop Microwave. This Panasonic stainless steel countertop microwave is a powerful and versatile addition to any kitchen. I was impressed by the inverter technology with turbo defrost, which heats food evenly without overcooking and speeds up defrosting for meats and frozen meals. The genius sensor cooking automatically adjusts power and time based on the type of food, making dinner prep effortless, even for tricky items like soups or casseroles. Its 1.2 cubic foot capacity comfortably handles family-sized portions, while the compact design saves countertop space. The stainless steel finish looks sleek and modern, and features like the child safety lock and keep warm function add real convenience. While it's slightly pricier than basic models, the precise cooking, consistent heat, and smart presets make it ideal for anyone who wants reliable performance with minimal guesswork. It's perfect for US kitchens where efficiency and even cooking matter. Number 4. Panasonic Alexa Smart Countertop Microwave. This Panasonic Alexa Smart Countertop Microwave is a high-tech solution for busy kitchens. I loved how the Works with Alexa feature allows me to control cooking with voice commands, like reheating leftovers or melting butter, which is perfect when my hands are full. The genius sensor cooking ensures even heating, so nothing comes out overcooked or cold in the middle. With 1200 watts and a 1.4 cubic foot interior, it handles everything from family-sized meals to quick snacks effortlessly. Setup was surprisingly easy through the Alexa app, and the stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern look to my countertop. Some presets are incredibly convenient, like turbo defrost and popcorn. While it's a bit pricier than standard microwaves, the smart features and even cooking make it worth it for anyone who wants efficiency and tech integration in their kitchen. Number 3. Sharp Countertop 1200-watt Large Microwave. This Sharp Countertop 1200-watt large microwave is a powerhouse for busy kitchens. The 2.2 cubic foot capacity is perfect for families, easily fitting a 16-inch pizza or large casserole. What I love most are the inverter cooking technology for even heating and the 16.5-inch carousel turntable that ensures nothing gets cold spots. The new white LED display and interior lighting make it simple to monitor cooking, with the convenient plus 30 seconds key is perfect for quick snacks. Sensor cook and auto cook features make reheating and preparing popular dishes effortless. With 10 power levels, wait and time defrost, and melt soften functions, it handles everything from frozen meals to delicate sauces. It's a bit pricier than smaller microwaves, but for families or those who entertain often, it's worth it. Setup is straightforward, and cleanup is easy thanks to the smooth stainless steel interior. Number 2. Toshiba Family-Size Countertop Microwave. This Toshiba Family-Size Countertop Microwave is a versatile choice for families who need both power and smart features. The ultra-large 1.6 cubic foot capacity easily fits a 13-inch pizza, making it great for meals and snacks. I really appreciated the position memory turntable, which resets for safer, more convenient use, and the sound on-off function that lets you mute beeps when needed, perfect for quiet kitchens or late-night reheating. With 10 power levels, sensor menus, auto defrost, and multi-stage cooking, it handles everything from vegetables to frozen meals smoothly. The black stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, and setup is simple with the removable 13.6-inch turntable. While it's larger than some countertop microwaves, the extra space and smart features make it worth considering for families or anyone who cooks often. It's reliable, efficient, and stylish. Number 1. Toshiba 2.2 cubic foot sensor microwave. The Toshiba 2.2 cubic foot sensor microwave feels made for real life, especially if you cook for family or host often. The large 2.2 cubic foot space easily fits a big pizza or casserole dish. I really like the humidity smart sensor, which adjusts heat so food stays moist instead of rubbery. It's one reason this model earns its place as the best 1200-watt microwave oven for busy kitchens. The position memory tray is another thoughtful touch. It stops the turntable where you started, so no spills when grabbing hot bowls. Power is strong at 1200 watts, and heating feels fast and even. Eco mode helps cut idle power, and mute is perfect for late nights. Downsides? It's big, so counter space matters. Still, for performance and ease, it's impressive. Final verdict. I personally recommend the Toshiba 2.2 cubic foot sensor microwave as the best overall product for families who want reliable, even cooking with plenty of space. Its 1200-watt power, humidity sensor, and large turntable make it perfect for everything from pizzas to whole chickens, saving you time and hassle in the kitchen. For those looking for a slightly smaller but still family-friendly option, the Toshiba family-size countertop microwave is a solid choice, offering smart sensor features and easy-to-use controls at a more accessible size. Both microwaves deliver convenience, precision, and modern design. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the microwave that fits your style and needs best, whether you want maximum capacity or a practical everyday option.